Okay, we're done with the villa tour and now we're gonna head to the beach. We haven't been to the beach in Seminyak yet, so this is a first for us. So I'm looking forward to it. Gonna get our scooter gear on. Let's go. Hi friend, for those of you that don't know me, my name is Cassidy and welcome back to Unpacking Life. It's a short trip to the beach from the villa, which is nice. We're just gonna take a left here. I noticed in the villa, I didn't hear any of this construction going on, so that was nice. All right, from here we're gonna take another left. This is gonna take us to the street that will take us to the beach. Gonna veer off to the right here, just sneak through the traffic. And we're here. We have arrived at the beach. Super close, really nice. All right, we're gonna park and take a walk, see what this beach looks like. Pantai Koropakan. So we made it to the beach. This ocean reminds me more of home. Like the color, more surf and the color of the sand. I do realize like how familiar I am with Sonora. You know, I haven't been here before and I don't feel familiar with this, and that's why we're here, so we can check it out. But I just noticed the difference, like how comfortable I have become in Sonora, and I feel uncomfortable right now. Just because I think I'm in an unknown place and don't know what to expect and don't know where I'm going, what I'm doing. Yeah, they're making a new bar, kitchen and bar. I like the gold and the red, the colors with the black. Oh, there's a lot of empty land here. Do you want to walk on the path or do you want to walk on the beach?
This girl and this boy.
Notice how these dogs are being transported on this scooter. Usually, I just see the dogs on the footboard. So the fact that these dogs each have their own place is an exception. I think I want to head down to the beach, walk on the beach for a minute. Oh, look. Stairs.
Oh, okay.
Could have used the stairs. See this? I'll give you one guess what that means. But people are down in the water there too. See all the red flags up there? Yeah.
There's one there.
And they're back over there too.
I don't know if it's the beginning or end.
Yeah, we see a lot of no swimming flags and we see a lot of people in the water. So just a suggestion, Alex says. I'm gonna check the temperature.
Okay. Like what?
The temperature is not like home.
Huh?
The temperature is very nice. Like you could walk right in. You know what? I really like hearing the sounds of the waves. In Sonora, because it's more protected and it's more like a bay, I don't really get this sound. I'm really appreciating it right now. That's the dog's ball in Bali, the coconut.
Oh,
look, he's got it. Well, they've been playing with it.
Well, the other one was sitting on it. You bit?
I think so, yeah, right here.
How many bites do you have this week?
How many bites do I have?
Comments below.
Two bites this week. Not bad. Oh, there's a dead fish on the ground or on the sand. Yeah. I don't know what kind of fish that is. Dead fish. Oh, look at the snail shell. This reminds me of home. It's a pirate ship. We're gonna sign off. Alex says we're low on batteries. Thanks for coming with us. We love that you came with us to IKEA, our 2 villa tours, our walk on the beach in Seminyak. We hope you had a good time, and we look forward to seeing you next week, whatever that adventure will bring us. See you then. Take care. Be well. Mwah.
Bye.
Bye.